Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Leah Lovely here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do things a little backwards today. You guys are just gonna see what the look is before we even do the look. So today I have like this, I don't really know what you want to call it, but it's a look, okay? It's a look. Y'all gonna see me talk hella shit about this white eyeliner because it is trash. I have already thrown it away. I will probably, take it out the trash can because she paid for it. So we not throwing money away, but we're going to find some other use for it. But yeah, so I mean, obviously this isn't an everyday look. And I've just really been inspired by color. I've been following a lot of new people on Instagram and stuff like that to kind of give me inspiration. But yeah, so we're just going to get right into it. So if you'd like to see how I got this look.
That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out. That's how we fall out.
Okay, so I already have my lids primed. Obviously, I've already got a full face on, as you guys can see. You guys have seen me do that enough times. So, figure out we just go ahead and skip that part. And focus on the oils. So, like I said, I've already got my eyes primed and I really just used my LA Pro Girl. What is it? LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow Corrector. Okay, and so now let me actually zoom you guys in a little bit. I ain't even do nothing yet.
I'm just talking about what you filming.
Oh, you want to say hi? You gotta, it's a tight shot, so you gotta kind of get in there. You gotta kind of get, really? Wow. You gonna get in there? Ooh, hold on now, I just pat that down just a little bit.
Hey y'all.
What do you want to see my little fingers? Dirty ass fingers.
I'm going back to work.
What'd you come in here for?
I just stopped in.
Just to be nosy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, before I was so rudely interrupted. Just going in with my Sephora Pro palette. And then I'm just gonna I'm taking this orange color, whoops, and I'm putting that right into my crease. Different blending brush, if I can find the one that I want. And we're gonna go ahead and start adding in some of the colors. So I'm just gonna start off and take this Sonia Kashuk little mini, I would call it like a mini blending brush. It doesn't have any description or indication on what it actually is on the brush. So we are gonna go ahead and we're going to take this blue color and we're gonna just put that right here on the outer corner and we're gonna put that on the inner corner just like how we would do a halo eye. Man, I tell you one thing about the Sephora, like the Pro palette, is not even the fallout in the palette, it's the fallout when you like put the colors on the eyes and you almost have to you're almost forced to press the color into your eyes. I'm trying to think of where I got the inspiration from this. Like I've been, I will say I kind of fell into a rut where I just wasn't inspired. And I think it's because I'm over just the everyday looks. Like I can't make a million videos on, just regular everyday looks. Cause at this point, I'm sure, like, especially with YouTube and Instagram, everybody kind of has their everyday look down. And my everyday look is just a bare face. And I like, sometimes I'll like do my eyebrows and put on some lashes and just like a little bit of highlight, but that's it. Like I don't have like, you know, like a set everyday look. So I feel like now, in order to keep myself inspired, or like, honestly, I've really been wanting to do colorful looks, but I'm just like, oh, I'm kind of scared to do them because I don't do them often, but I always want to. Like I always want to do them. There's like a lot of new people that I started following on Instagram that have just kind of sparked my inspiration all over again, because they're constantly putting up really bright and beautiful, colorful looks. Because I'm just, like I said, I'm tired of just like that everyday, like we do a bronzy cut crease. Like I get bored with stuff like that. Like I'm a Sagittarius. I get bored very easily, very quickly. So like I have to, you know, I have to switch it up. So now that we have our outer and our inner corner colors placed, we're gonna go ahead and take that same brush that we used to kind of pat in our concealer, and I still have some left over, so I'm not gonna add any more onto the brush. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna kind of pat that in so that I have a base. For the shadow that I'm gonna put on the inside. And you know what's so funny? Like I am winging it right now, honey. Like I don't know what I'm doing right now. As far as like colors go, like of course in the beginning, because I did my intro with a full face, like you guys get the whole full picture. But right now, honey, I am winging it. Okay, I don't even know what we're doing right now, but keep that motherfucker rolling. I'm trying to think, what color should I go ahead and put on my center lid? Like, I don't want to do a gold because I always, you know, that's expected. You guys expect that out of me. I wonder how this color is gonna look. Right, no. So I have this color, but I don't want to use it in this look. So what I might go ahead and do, I also have this like this pretty playful purple. Ooh, that's so pretty. I might have, ooh, your girl filming twice today, so I might have to use this. It's a look, honey. These two are a look together in themselves, so we're gonna have to use that in the next video. We're gonna take our finger, just gonna go into that gold shade. Oh, that's so, ooh, girl, child. And we're just gonna place that, oh my God. So we're just gonna place that right there in the center. Wow. So, went on a lot more pigmented than I expected. I didn't really want it to be this. I didn't want it to be that thick. Thick, girl, she was thick. So I'm just gonna take this like flimsy ass crease brush that I have, flatten it out a little bit, and I'm just gonna kind of like lightly dust around, you know, right where the gold and the blue meet, so that I can kind of blend that into the, you know, blend the two shadows together. So I'm just gonna take that same crease brush that we used to apply the blue, add just a little bit of product on it, and I'm just gonna take it up just a little bit. We're gonna take this white NYX liquid eyeliner. Honestly, the last time that I used this eyeliner, it like cracked so hard on me, bro. It got super dry. It started cracking in the corner. Like, it looks pretty until you like look really up close. Then you're just like, dang. But I just now realized that I cannot do eyeliner and talk, so I'm just gonna shut up now and go ahead and play some really nice music for y'all while I do this. Okay, so I've got that eye down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this other one off camera, and then we will be right back to put on some lashes, some highlight, and these dry ass lips, okay? Okay, so I got the white eyeliner on, and honestly, it's gotta go. I don't like that liner. Like, that liner has played me every single time I have put it on. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Mystic Black. This is one of my new favorite, well, it's not really new, it came out last year. But it's one of my like favorite mascaras that I have right now, next to the what is it, the Big Shot, but specifically the one that Maybelline did in collaboration with Makeup Shayla. She is hands down my favorite beauty blogger, influencer, makeup artist, whatever you want to title her. Like, she is my favorite. She was the first makeup artist, and like probably one of the first people that I started following on when I got onto Instagram. Okay, so once we've got that mascara down, I'm just gonna take my Ardell Wispies, and I've got like just the regular ones today, so I'm gonna have to double these up, especially with a look like this. Okay, so I've got my lashes put on. I've dusted off all of the excess powder that I had on my under eyes, and what we're gonna go ahead and do now, we're gonna take a pencil brush. If you don't know what a pencil brush looks like, it looks just like this. I still have product on there, don't judge me. Did my makeup the other day, but we're just gonna go back in with that same orange color, and we're gonna put that right there on the lower lash line. Ooh. Okay, I actually don't want to use this because like it's throwing eyeshadow all over my face right now, and I really don't want that. And so instead, wow, why is this so stiff? Okay, so I just took a short shader brush. I'm just taking that and I'm putting that orange onto my lower lash line, but I'm not dragging it all the way in. I'm stopping right at about here. All right. So now that we've got that down, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take I'm gonna take my Maybelline X Shayla, Makeup Shayla, her collaboration with them, and it's a blue mascara. God, I love the brush on this. What do you call them? The bristles, the brush, the head of the mascara. I don't know. This part, absolutely love. This is like my favorite shape of brush, next to like the super big fluffy ones, because those just work best with my eyelashes. It's like my natural lash. All right, so I've got my blue mascara on, but now we get to go into the fun part and we get to do highlighter. It's my favorite part. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a regular fan brush, and we are gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold. You guys have seen me. Ooh. There we go. You guys have seen me use this plenty of times. It looks like molten gold. It literally, I mean, she's well used and very loved, but yeah, she definitely looks like just straight gold. Oh, yes. Yes, I miss using a fan brush. I don't know, I just feel like there's nothing better than a fan brush. Oh my God. And I'm also going to put some right there under my brow bone. Like I said, I prefer to do this than put concealer because I want it to be like I want to blind you. I don't want it to just be brighter under my brow bone. Like, I want to blind you with it. So we've got the rest of the face done. So we're gonna go ahead and put our lips on, and I'm going to use my my very embarrassing NYX lip pencil in the shade Neutral. Y'all ever had, I know y'all had a kid in class that had one of them little nubby pencils okay? But it worked, okay? They always had a pencil in class. They wasn't ever asking you, hey, bro, you got a pencil? But guess what? I bet you were. I bet you were. I actually changed up my lip a little bit because it was almost like it was like it's too pink. It was too like nudish pink, and I really just wanted more so of like more like a skin tone color on my face. So I went ahead and just fully lined my lips completely with my with the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and then I put my Fenty gloss on top of it. So this is the final look. I think it came out really cute. I don't know where I would wear this to. I don't know if I would actually wear this to anywhere, but I would probably use it for like, I do a lot of creative photo shoots and stuff like that, so I might use it in that. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm definitely recording with these two tonight, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But past that, if you have not subscribed and turned on the notifications for this channel, just know, please just know, I'm judging you. I'm judging you. I'm judging your mom and your auntie and your grandma and your boyfriend. Anybody that has not subscribed and turned on the notifications for this channel, just know I am judging you harder than the pastor's wife sitting on the front row. Okay, so just go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
That's how we fall out.